Guys, imagine this. Ginive up mo yung career na matagal mo nang ginagawa, working 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 with your friends, your bosses na gusto mo, your colleagues. Kasi gusto mo maging freelancer kasi akala mo ang laki ng sahod. Tapos after learning the skills, ilang buwan ka nag-aral, naubos na yung pera mo, ang dami mong ginastos sa computer, ang dami mong pinagawa, nagpa-connect ka pa ng high-speed internet, nag-aral ka pa mag-English, ang dami mong ginawa. And then ito na, freelancer ka na. Tapos nakikita mo yung iba, kumikita ng multiple 6 digits or 6 digits, higher 5 digits. Ang dami nilang nabibili, mga gadgets, ang sarap ng buhay nila. Tapos ikaw, babalik tayo sa'yo, minimum pa rin. Kaya naman as a part of the freelance series videos, I will discuss with you the top reasons why you're still earning small even doing a freelance gig. And syempre, how to fix it. Click subscribe, follow me on my socials so I can make you more money. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, reason number 1, kaya ang baba ng sahod mo is not choosing the right type of client or just jumping straight ahead into every opportunity that you have. Sobrang common nito guys kasi almost half of our group ng mga freelancers sa Facebook are actually not employed. So syempre, ang tendency nila, the first offer that they get, yun na yun. They don't even negotiate. I'm not against that. Actually, I suggest na first few projects, maybe first 1 to 3 days, you might be working for free. I don't see anything wrong with that. Ang problem ko is yung free or yung lower rate na to gets to be perpetualized kasi inaccept mo na ganun lang talaga kababa yung kaya mong sahod. Remember this guys, in the world of freelance, it's a case-to-case basis. Ang ibig ko sabihin dito is kahit magaling ka sa isang aspect ng video editing, if a particular business does not require that particular skill, hindi ka rin naman nila ma-offera ng malaki. Ang example ko na to, napakagaling mo sa mga cinematic videos, pero ang kailangan pala ng client mo is for coaching, ba? For e-commerce. Then ibang set of skills yun. Kahit sabihin na natin napaka-expert mo na talaga, pero yung format ng content nila is hindi naman swak dun sa skill mo. Yun din is a reason kung bakit hindi ka makahingi ng mataas na rate. Ito pa another example. Yung mga format, especially mga short form videos natin right now, can be edited using your mobile phones. And some of them, mas mabilis pa actually i-edit kapag nag-cellphone ka lang. Pero ang ginagawa ng mga professional video editors natin is in-edit nila, nagki-keyframe pa sila, they spend a couple of hours, maybe a day for one video. Tapos nakikipag-compete sila sa price. So, naturally, matatalo ka talaga or mababa talaga yung offer for you. For example, TikTok videos, kunwari, ang quota mo is 10 videos per day. Then I suggest na you just produce yung saktong-sakto lang dun sa kailangan ng client. Don't overdo things. Huwag mo masyadong galingan. Huwag mo masyadong lagyan ng maraming palabok. Kasi kung ano lang yung kailangan niya, yun lang yung tapusin mo. Guilty ako dyan, pero nag-stop ako dyan nung na-realize ko yung law of diminishing return. The law of diminishing return simply says that up to a certain point, additional effort or input will result into marginal results. Ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog is may certain point lang or for editing, may certain point lang ng editing na kahit super galingan mo pa, gamihan mo ng graphics, lahat ng mga palabok, ilagay mo dyan, you spend 1 to 3 days, hindi na ganun kalaki yung magiging impact niya on your client's sales, your client's prospects, your client's business. That's why, that's the time na hintuan mo na, okay, hintuan mo na yan and damihan mo na yung edit mo, 5, 10, or 20 short form videos per day. If you need to do mobile or if you need to use AI apps, then by all means, go ahead and do that para makatulong siya sa output mo. Long story short, i-match mo lang yung input mo sa output na kailangan ni client. Next reason natin dito is you're not providing enough value to your clients or you're not providing additional value sa mga clients mo. Ang ibig sabihin dito is kung ang ginagawa mo is simpleng editing lang, okay, basic editing lang, then of course, do not expect na you'll be compensated as much as other people na nagpo-provide ng additional value. Example, kung editor ka, usually nag-edit lang, nahihiya magsabi sa client na, alam mo client, yung background noise ng video mo, etc. etc. Na-try mo na ba itong mic na to? Kasi based sa mga reviews, ito yung magandang mic. Yung lighting, yung the way they talk, even yung backdrop or yung stage nila, di ba? But basically anything that will help their business. It also shows that you care about your client and you're just not there to get paid. It will be better on the client's behalf that you're concerned with their business and their well-being. Trust me, nararamdaman ng clients yan. Kaya may mga kliyente tayo nang biglang nagpapabonus ng 10K, 20K, minsan laptop nagbibigay sila pagka Christmas. Yun yung ibig sabihin doon. Kasi nafe-feel talaga nila na gusto mo sila. Other skills may include SEO, social media management, marketing, ads, getting leads, networking, community management, and marami pang iba. Next natin sa skills is there is a mismatch. So you're either overqualified, okay, sobrang galing mo and yung ina-expect mo na sahod is mataas. Tapos, ang kailangan lang pala nila is entry level or vice versa naman. So, kailangan nila yung magaling but since yung bagito ka pa lang, wala tayong magagawa, meron talaga mga ganyan. And actually, kasama nga ako dyan. So, you shouldn't really expect na talagang mababayaran ka ng 15, 20, $25 per hour. So talagang magsisimula ka muna sa mababa. Gano'ng kababa, you ask? For me, I prefer around the high 5-digit or 6-digit mark. Ayoko rin naman doon sa super high-end, yung parang movie style ng edits and 3D renders kasi honestly right now, hindi ko siya preferred. Talaga mauubos yung oras mo kakaaral ng new stuff. And ang personal opinion ko dito is there will be a time na yung mga sobrang inaaral nating keyframe, After Effects, yung mga plugins na talagang inaaral ko pa ngayon is nagiging AI generated na lang eh. So for me, I'm not going that route. Doon lang ako sa gitna. And bago mo isipin kung gaano kababa yung willing kang tanggapin as a freelance video editor or as a freelancer, ito yung gastos mo guys. Nagpagawa ka ng kwarto, baka nagpa-soundproofing ka pa kasi ang ingay ng aso ng kapitbahay mo. Gumawa ka ng workstation. Magkano yung computer na yan? Magkano yung laptop na yan? Bumili ka pa ng backup PC or backup computer para kung sakaling magkaroon ng brownout or may masira, meron ka ibang gagamitin. Nagpa-connect ka pa ng high-speed internet. Yung iba dito, dalawa pa yung high-speed connection na ginagamit. How much did you spend dun sa furniture? Tables, chairs, bookshelves, or any other thing na will help you with your job. Yung cost ng kuryente mo and yung utilities mo, syempre magkano rin yun? Yung ilaw and yung aircon plus yung electric fan. There's also the payment and subscription for the softwares that you're using, like your Adobe, your editing apps, your photo apps, your subscription sa, for example, mga Trello or any other CMS software that you're using. Plus, add mo na rin yung maintenance of the workstation itself. My tip is do not compete for the bottom rates. Kasi by that time, you're just doing a race to the bottom with your peers. Nakikipag-compete ka sa ibang taong sobrang basic lang ng knowledge that they're willing na wala na halos silang kinikita. And I have to tell you, based on my observation, clients that usually prefer these types of editors, wala rin nagtatagal na editors sa kanya. So why would you put yourself in that position na ang baba na nga ng rate mo, hindi pa stable yung work mo, or hindi pa stable yung business ng client mo, kaya in a few months, wala ka na naman trabaho. Next reason natin why you're being paid less as a freelancer is you tend to blame everybody. It's always everybody's fault, diba? Fault ni client, it's the fault of their business, it's the fault of someone from India or from Latin America that they're willing to take jobs na mas mababang rate. Basically, itong mentality na to wala siyang nire-resolve eh. Parang nagiging pity party na lang. Complain yung nangyayari. How about you approach it this way? Some people get paid very small amounts, pero there's also a portion that earns multiple 5 or 6 digits per month as a freelancer. And ano yung mga ginawa nila or ano yung mga steps that they took in order to get those? Because I'm sure there's a common factor across every one of them. Hindi naman lahat, but a lot of them can also learn how to do. For example, paano nila minamarket yung sarili nila, paano sila nagne-network, anong software yung mga ginagamit nila, anong software yung mga inaaral nila, ano yung mga ginagawa nila for those clients, anong types of clients yung sinaservice nila na malaki magbigay. At the end of the day, guys, life is not fair. Meron talaga mga nasa baba, meron din mga nasa taas. Merong kumikita ng mababa, meron din kumikita ng mataas. This applies to everything. From business, from employment, from schools, from sports. The sooner that you realize and accept that, the better, guys. Kasi instead of spending your time being bitter or being jealous, you can spend that time paano mo ma-improve yung sarili mo and paano mo gawin yung strategies ng ibang tao para makuha mo rin yung same results na nakukuha nila. Next reason why you're being paid minimum as a freelancer is your client's business sucks. Plainly speaking, guys, we serve multiple types of clients across multiple types of businesses, and some businesses are more profitable than others. Some businesses are winning and scaling, lumalaki yung negosyo nila, and some business on the other hand are closing or nababankrupt naman. So it goes without saying that the businesses that are doing well are also prepared or invests more to their team, kaya willing sila magbayad ng mataas na rate. Here's a quick analogy for you guys. Imagine yourself in a basketball championship or a football championship. Of course, you want to join the team that has the highest probability to win that championship, right? So ganun din when picking your clients. You also have to analyze their business and gauge kung more or less sino yung mas mataas yung profit margin, sino yung mas madaling paganahin yung business, sino na yung mga established na yung negosyo nila. Some quick examples are high-end coaching services, digital courses, law firms, high-end real estate, sellers of luxury goods like jewelries, bags, and watches. On the other hand, businesses that has low margins will be laundromats, car washes, traditional businesses, mom and pop restaurants, Airbnbs, etc. So choose wisely, guys. Again, this does not apply to every scenario, pero more or less yun yung common. Not only you have a higher tendency to earn more when choosing these clients, It also has a higher potential na hindi malugi yung negosyo nila, thereby secure yung trabaho mo as a freelancer. Next reason why you're being paid minimum as a freelancer is hindi ka nag-i-improve sa mga skills or value mo sa client. Instead, implement Kaizen principle or small incremental improvements. I suggest that you tailor fit your skills sa needs ng client mo. Adapt to their style of editing. Also research about how their competitors are doing, the latest industry trends. Basically, think like you also own a part of the business aside from just thinking na this is just another task na tatapusin ko. Tapos pagka-clock out ko, kukuha ko ng sahod, masaya na ako. Remember that the most valuable employees are also the ones that has a sense of ownership sa negosyo ng mga clients nila. And last but not the least reason bakit minimum pa rin ang sahod mo kahit freelancer ka na is you fail to market yourself. 80% na nagbe-message sa inyo sa akin, nagpapatulong is actually ito lang talaga yung problem nyo and sometimes it gets tiring to reply to each and every one kasi isa lang naman talaga yung sagot ko. Sobrang galing na mag-edit, cinematic na, may color grading, may graphics, lahat, even sound design. And then they complain ilang buwan na nilang ginagawa to, ilang buwan na silang walang trabaho, napakahirap, tulungan nyo ko. Pero pag hinanapan mo ng portfolio, tinanong mo kung saan sila nag-a-apply, saan sila nagne-network, asan ang mga past projects nila, do they ask for referrals sa mga satisfied clients nila previously, are they willing to make 1 or 2 short clips for free for potential clients? Laging may dahilan. It's either busy sa school, part-time ko lang to ginagawa, ang dami kong ginagawa sa current work ko, gusto ko mag-focus lang sa creative work, ayoko na isipin yung mga ganyan. So basically, ang galing lang nila mag-edit. Aside doon, wala na silang kayang gawin. And wala ring nakakaalam na magaling na sila mag-edit. Okay na okay talaga yung magaling mag-edit. But freelancing, you need to master a couple of skills that adds into your main skill being a video editor. You have to be well-rounded. Imagine mo ganito, pareho tayo may task na mag-cook ng adobo. Pero yung adobo ko, napakasarap ng patatas. Pero yung manok, hilaw. Yung suka, ang tabang. Kaya yung toyo, sobrang alat. Walang laurel, walang sibuyas, tapos yung bawang, sunog. Pero ang galing ko sa isang particular skill, ang galing ko mag-edit. Yung patatas ko, napakasarap ng pagkakaluto. Sa tingin mo, may kakain kaya ng adobo na yun? Or sa tingin mo, may mag-hire kaya sa'yo? Agree ba kayo sa mga na-mentions ko on this video, guys? If you did, comment down below so I know that you're watching up to this point. Also, feel free to suggest any other topics that you wish to discuss on this channel. And as a bonus tip, learn to regularly negotiate your salary. Kung mayroong importanteng skill na kailangan mo masterin is the art of negotiation. And I will dive deeper into that on my next video, guys. So make sure you subscribe, follow me on my socials. Again, Jomak here. Thank you for watching.